Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here with two more beautiful old music book journals. The covers are made from, there's these super old, here's one right here, I'll show you. These really old book covers, or music book covers that I've got. They're all falling apart, so I thought that I would make some covers out of them, and yeah, I love them. I'm lost for words today. There's too much smoke in the air around here, and it's a rough start today for me for some reason. But these are just like my brown ones. I super love them. They come with a bag full of extra fun goodies. Each one has almost the same, but just different buttons and things in there. And yeah, let's get started. They're 9x6, and I did the spines just like I did the brown ones, my brown covers, and made out of that painter paper. And they both have two signatures in them. And I will do a quick flip. I left all the old tape and everything on here, and the writing. I don't really know what that says, but, and there's some writing right there, if you can see. Some old writing still on it. I Mod Podged the outside so the writing would stay on there. There's some right there as well. And yeah, I super love these. They're so cute. Okay, inside this one, again, we have this front cover here. And there's two journaling cards inside here, and this opens up, and we have a layered snippet piece here with lace and music paper and just leftover pieces to collage in here with. Choking. A doily here, just some random beautiful papers. Oh, I don't have that light up here, but I'm trying to keep it to where it won't go yellow on me. And some cardstock. And this is out of the old English book. Isn't that amazing? I love that. Coffee dyed paper, some paper. And this is out of, I'll show you what book this is. This is one I found at a garage sale, and I super love this book. It's got some amazing pages. They're not that really super shiny paper, but it's super nice. I hate this lighting. I'm going to pause for just 1 second. Okay. Hopefully that's better. I hope. Okay. Anyways, that book I was showing you is this book. Hopefully it don't turn yellow now. And I super love this book. Like I said, it doesn't have that. It is kind of turning yellow again, isn't it? That's my life. Anyways, this book is so amazing. I love it. Yeah. Okay. Back inside here. In this, we have just a little booklet made from some extra cardstock I had here and some extra paper. Coffee dyed paper, a cardstock flip. And here is the first envelope that's loaded with goodness. Let's take this one out. And that's what she looks like. And we have one of these big old tags from Artie Mays and Tracy Fox. And then we have these two beautiful cards. Oh my goodness, ladies. I can already tell this is going to give me troubles. And I don't know why. I have this. I'm going to have to figure out how to make this ring light like closer or something. There we go. And then there's this little card. And this was supposed to be printed out color, but it went on black and white. I don't know how I did that, but I'm using her up anyways. And then we have this little piece of ephemera, a doily. Oh, I smashed her. Oh no. Can't be having it smashed. And then we have these two. One's my porch prints, and I can't remember where, I think that's Artie Mae's, I think. And then we have this little one. Put these in here like that. This one behind it, like so. And then that turns, and you have a pocket here. And let's flip through since I've already wasted time. This is out of, oh my goodness, let me see. It's out of this old book that my friend gave me. It's an old school crafts project book. Yeah. And I just I cut it in half because it's way long, and there's a pocket here, and here's the other half of it right here. And then we have some empty pages, and here is a guest check, a read a flip. Oops, and there's that page. Here is a pocket, and I didn't put anything in it because there's going to be a lot of ephemera in here. I might put something. Let's see, what do I have? Let me see. I don't know if I have anything to put back there. How about this little card? And you can also put, I didn't glue this right here, so you could tuck in there as well as in here. This is too big for it, but then as well behind it. So that's a lot more tucking spots. And here is a pocket. I love these pages. These papers are so cute. And in this one, let's see what we got. There's the doily. And a whole bunch more stuff back here. My goodness gracious. There's a big old tag in the back right there. And then we have this journaling card tucked in there. And here's another one that printed out black and white. So frustrating. Still beautiful in its own, but I really wanted it to be color. But it didn't work out that way for me. And that's their mushroom card. We will put behind there a Tiffany & Co. company card. And then in the front we have these two, and then this paint chip card. Put that there. Let me see. How did I have this? Oh my goodness. I think I had this one behind. Pull these ones up a little because I like to see every little thing. Like so. And then this in the front. There. That works. Just like that. Okay. Going on. We have over here. We have 4, just like the other ones, we have 4 paper snippet clusters. So they can be like, you can put them on, where'd it go? You could put one on this little Rita Donnelly flip right here and then add a little button or some flowers. So cute. You can use them in all sorts of different ways. I know y'all know how to do that. Keep going. My dog's gonna whine now, of course. Here we have a tuck spot right here. And that's the first signature. Second signature. I love these pages. I have so much cardstock. I was trying to use up a lot of cardstock too. And here's some more of that school project. And here we have a flip up and a flip down, and you can tuck behind there. I tried to make these just slightly different than the other ones, so they aren't all the same. I won't pull all this one out, but you know what's all in there. There's a whole bunch of layering stuff up in there. And then there's a pocket right here. And here is a pocket. And there's another flip pocket. And there's nothing in this bag, but it flips out so you can journal here and stuff a bunch of pictures or whatever you want in there. A pocket, and a stuffed pocket. There's so much. It's so pretty. I just love them so much. And there we go. I just want to see all the pretty papers that are in here. And a belly band right here. And it has a tag inside. And back here, I left this so you can use like some of your clusters or any of your other ephemera and decorate this with. And inside we have 2 tags. And that is the first one. And then you just put your little rubber band back on there. And there you have it. Let's see the next one. This one I won't take all the ephemera out just because y'all know what's basically, it's basically the same. Just ephemera is different, or maybe the pocket's on a different page or something. But we also, I'll take these so you can see these. Have those 2 back there. Here is the paper cluster that opens. This one has a little booklet here. Oh, okay, hold on. He went out to go potty and I don't want him to stay out there because there's so much smoke. Sorry about that. And here is a beautiful page out of that garden book. And this music page out of the cover. Some Edith Holden, Fly, and a page that I cooked too much and it's crumbly, but I'll still love it. Here is this ephemera envelope. Oh my goodness, there is a fly right there and it's so frustrating. Oh, and on this one, I put a belly band because this was already plain, but I wanted to decorate it up a little bit. Try to get that little fly. It's going to bother me. Oh! And here is a little flip. And it has a tag backed on coffee dyed paper. I'm not crazy, ladies. There really is a fly. I don't know if you can see it, but oh, it's going to die when I'm done with this. And here we have a pocket. And then this big old stuffed pocket there. Lots of ephemera. I love the feel of this old paper. I just really love it so much. And then here is this pocket. Again, you can tuck behind it, in it, and right here. And there's nothing in this part. In there. That's the first signature. Here is the second. We have 4 more paper snippet clusters. Get on in there. I love that page. And this doily I just left, and you can tuck pages or pictures in there. A little side pocket right here. And then this big old page of yumminess. You turn and there's a pocket there. Coffee dyed paper, some beautiful paper. I love that one. Isn't that cool? Ooh. The more it looks like that, the more I love it. And then here we have the guest check pocket, and this is a glued down flip. I love that. It's so neat. And then we have all of this yumminess. Oh no, I don't like wrinkled. Unless I wrinkle it on myself. And here is the next one, and it has a pocket there. This one came in crooked. There we go. Whoopsie. So much cuteness. A little flip down, flip up, flip down, and there's a pocket behind there. The other part of the doily that you can tuck in. Music paper. Nothing in this bag. And then this flips open, and behind it we have 2 tags, Tim Holtz tags behind it. And that is that one. And these ones are both sold. I just wanted to put a video out there on them because I just love them so much. But I wanted you to be able to see them as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I have another video coming soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.